These are the 10-minute studies that I did in the month of June. As you can see, they are quite varied in topic, and the idea is to challenge yourself with different scenes once a day for 10 minutes. I do vertical and horizontal compositions. Every day, I'm amazed at, depending on the time of day, it depends on how much I can actually interpret the scene, how much information I can do. Some days a little less, other days I manage to get more information in the 10 minutes. Give it a try.